Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0135 Oxygen Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction Bank 1 Sensor 1. This means your car's computer detected a problem with the heating element in the oxygen sensor on the driver's side Bank 1 before the catalytic converter sensor 1. A faulty oxygen sensor can hurt your fuel efficiency and emissions, so let's fix it. Before you begin, remember, this video is a general guide. Check your car's repair manual for specific locations and procedures. If you're not comfortable working on your car, take it to a mechanic. Here are some of the most usual causes of P0135. Here are a few other symptoms you may observe with a P0135. Check engine light comes on. Fuel economy becomes less efficient. Vehicle may run rough or idle. Engine doesn't operate as smoothly during startup. Exhaust smells bad or emits black smoke. What you'll need: OBD-II scanner, multimeter, socket wrench set, replacement oxygen sensor, rags. Now let's diagnose and fixing the problem. Visual inspection. Locate the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Refer to your manual. Look for damaged wiring, melted connectors, or corrosion. Fuse check. Consult your manual to find the fuse box and the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Replace the fuse if it's blown, but if it blows again, there's a bigger problem. Testing the oxygen sensor optional. You can use a multimeter to test the oxygen sensor heater circuit resistance. Values will vary depending on the sensor, so refer to your manual. Replacing the sensor. If the inspection or tests point to a bad sensor, disconnect the battery's negative terminal for safety. Use a wrench to loosen the sensor and carefully remove it. Screw in the new sensor. Hand tighten it first, then use the wrench to tighten it to the specified torque. Refer to your manual. Reconnect the wire harness and the battery terminal. Once you've replaced the sensor or fixed the wiring, start your car and let it run for a few minutes. Then, use your OBD-II scanner to clear the P0135 code. Take your car for a test drive. If the check engine light doesn't come back, you've successfully fixed the problem. If the light returns, consult a mechanic for further diagnosis. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is a D-friendly approach, but if you're ever unsure, don't hesitate to take your car to a professional. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more car repair tips.